Imagine you are doing an important work on your PC with many windows open and suddenly you have to shut down your PC. Then what will you do? You will save all the data, close all the windows, then shut down your PC. And when you will start your PC, then you will have to open all the windows again. But after watching this video, you don't have to do this. Let's open multiple windows. Now you can see I have opened many windows here. What we have to do, when we will close our PC, then all windows should come when we will start our PC again. So for doing this, go to the start menu, search control panel. Now select large icons. Now go to the power options. Choose what the power button does. Now you can see this. Shutdown setting is disabled now. To enable it, click on the change setting that are currently unavailable. Now you can see shutdown setting is enabled now. Then tick mark on the Hibernate option. Click on Save Changes. Now go back to the desktop. Now go on the Start menu again. Click on the power button. Now you can see a new option is coming, that is Hibernate. Click on it. Now you can see your all windows are here and whatever we left before hibernating. That's how Hibernate mode works. You won't lose your work next time, and Hibernate is also better than the sleep option. Because Hibernate not consume any type of power, so battery will not affect. But in case of sleep, you will lose battery percentage. That's all from today guys. See you in my next video.